Okay, so here's a fairly standard application. Basically, it's got a standard chart of accounts type situation, income statement, balance sheet, calculates net income, and this is an input based off of one of the examples. This one happens to have a product and what's the other dimension? One of the other dimensions, I think the input currency in this model that aren't in the standard model that this input form was based off of. I've got product at a base level, US dollars, periodic. I've got plan at the moment, and United States as a base level. So the formatting is set, come on, show me the formatting, is set to format the input members to white, and various other members based on other format setups, calculated members again, and the input members. And let's see, we close the pane down so we can see more of the real estate. What I did here was I took this and I trended it using the planning trend, and I entered a positive number, and it's coming back refreshing as a positive number. If I switch over to actual, we should still have inputable members. Come on, switch. You gonna let me switch there? There's the okay. It's off my screen. Come on, switch. This is slow, just like the one you were showing me.
Yeah.
Okay. So I took 4 million, I think it was. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll have 1 million intercompany sales. Positive numbers. Material costs 20,000. There we go. Labor costs 50,000. Personnel costs another 100,000. Travel and entertainment 400,000. Actually, I think I had that at 50,000. And one less zero. And advertising and promotion, another 100,000 or so. And since this is income or expense, it could and should be entered either negative or positive. If it's entered as a positive, it should add it as income. If it's entered as a negative, because of the naming convention, it should subtract it. So I'm going to say it's Now, behind the scenes, it's an expense account. Right? No, it's an income account. Behind the scenes, it's an income account. So if I enter it as the negative, it's going to subtract that from the total. So, and I don't care about the clearing account. Come on, save my data. What's going on here? Oh, I'm still sitting in the cell, yes. I always forget that.
Yeah.
It drives me crazy. And then if I refresh, instead of turning negative like yours did, it'll still show up as positive, and the total sales will be positive. So there's 500,000 minus 7,000, 43,000 for your gross margin. Indirect expenses summed up 25,000 subtracted from 43 gives us the 40,000, 40,500,000, whatever it is, whatever that number is. And then, as you can see, the negative actually subtracts like it's supposed to. So that's business intelligence. That's what I expect it to do.
Yeah. Please open the account dimension.
You betcha. This is the account we're using. Account dimension we're using. And I'll scroll back up a little bit, try not to go too far. Okay, so you can see that our third-party sales are set as income. The rate type doesn't matter because we're not doing any translations at the moment. Let's see, total sales is also income. These are expenses. Gross margin is income. Again, the rest of these are expenses, and as I was pointing out, that financial income expense is an income account, so that whatever sign it takes, you put in, it's going to do what you tell it to do, based on the sign rather than, the name or anything. So that's what I'm used to happening.
Yeah.
And that's what I'm expecting to happen, because that's the way I'm expecting to plan, and that's the way I'm expecting it to see it against actuals.
Okay.
So to load actuals, we would reverse sign on credit into our income accounts so that they would show up the right way and show up against our planning. Now, I don't have any scripting written against this. I don't have any. This is just a quick model I threw together using other dimension stuff. So what would be the best thing for, should we continue with reporting, or should we go back to some scripting, since I don't have any of that done, and you can help me with that?
Yeah.
If I have the choice, I'd rather do the scripting at this point. Because I haven't had enough opportunity to do that.
Okay.
For instance, there's a tax account that we could get the pre-tax income down into and then calculate our taxes. Let me get a couple of more months in here.
Yeah. Wait.
Oh, wait. See, I've forgotten how to do that. Ah, okay. That would be oh, come on. I thought I did type a value. Oh, I see. There's still something there.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Be lazy. Okay.
Yeah.
We got some nice big numbers. So let's go see what we can do. Now, I don't see anything that will calculate a formula within, let's see. And I just grabbed a dimension that was here before that didn't have anything in it. So I think somebody else, I don't remember whether I created it at one point while I was working with BW or what. And then, because it's sure got a lot of properties that I don't know what they were intended for. So I think somebody else, one of the other BPC users at one point was using this one. Okay, so I don't see an actual formula, but we want it to write back to the database anyway to get our taxes. So that's process flows, and we'll cover that. So we could do a member formula. But that's not going to give us what we need, right? That's not going to, the member formula is not going to write back to the database, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. And we actually have a script that somebody started for this, or else it's just the default logic. Okay. Just the default logic.
Yeah, that is default logic. Not required by us.
I'm sorry?
That is default logic.
Yeah. Okay. So we could write the script in default logic. Let's see if I've got something in one of these that I can start with rather than starting from scratch. Aha! Nothing in there. Darn. This one does have consolidation logic.
This is currency translation.
Mm-hmm.
One is the currency conversion. Second one is the intercompany consolidation.
Are we going to assume that there's some rates already entered for 2012? Okay. Okay, what does the program consolidation do?
Just like it is consolidation means automatic adjustment. Then in the consolidation, you have to post adjustments.
Okay, category that I don't know that there's a group in it. And I don't know what, okay, that's time ID RA. So that's that keyword thing, right?
Yeah.
I need to write that down again because that went out of my head until I hit it again. How did I just, there's my notebook. Okay. Okay. Do I need any other dimensions in that consolidation?
No.
Just the category, the scope, and the
This is
time.
the standard program. This program is not defined by us. This program is defined by the system itself. As I have shown from the UJFS transaction code. You can
I'm
download
sorry, you're
that.
going to have to repeat that. I'm going to put in my earphones and maybe I can hear a little bit better than I'm hearing over the speaker on this.
Okay. There is a transaction code.
Hold on just a sec.
UJFS transaction code is there.
Okay, repeat that again.
UJFS. UJFS. I'm giving in chat box also you can find UJFS.
Okay, so if I look on the, so you're saying that if I look on the BW,
Yes.
it'll show me the scripting.
Yes.
That's good, because I haven't done that yet either. Look for it there. Of course, that doesn't help me with the Microsoft version, but
Yeah. How is your experience with Microsoft version, Dan?
I like it just fine. It's very much like the old Outlook soft, much more than the NetWeaver version.
Mm-hmm.
And I like the new EPM functionality.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's cleaner than the EVDRE stuff.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, and so you're saying in order to get to the menu where I would enter or get to the UJFS,
Yeah.
walk me through this.
Yes.
It's not here. This is the SRD or SRA1 to get to either the workbench or the modeling.
Yeah,
Right?
that is RS7, RSD, those kind of things. No need. Only UJFS to enter.
UJFS?
Yeah, that's enough.
Oh! Okay, yeah, that one slipped me by. Okay, cool. And I didn't see it, but then I wasn't looking. And will it give me, yes, it will give me the environments. There's the one.
Yeah.
That's the one I want. Okay. Now what?
Execute. That icon is there.
The execute icon.
Yes.
Okay.
Expand.
Oh. Okay.
Here you see system library files.
Cool. All right. Yeah, I haven't been to this area before. There's the system library. Okay.
Yeah.
Logic library. Okay.
There you see consolidation.lgf.
And can I just click it to open it?
Now right click, menu. Just right click so that you can go to the menu. Yes, now download document.
Okay. Sure.
Yeah.
Guess I'll put it in my folder. Calc account logic. Ooh, I want to see that one.
Consolidation. Okay.
Okay, let's go look for them. See what they show. What do I use to open it?
Yeah.
Notepad?
Notepad.
Okay. Calc account. Okay, so the categories are category set, group, time. Okay, calc equals A, and then the other. So that's feeding to a predefined program.
Yes.
Just like the other stuff.
Yes.
Okay. Just like in the Microsoft version, it's feeding to stored procedures. Okay. Cash flow preparing. Okay. So that's not.
Here is important thing is calculate equal to A. That is the only thing. The difference between consolidation and this one.
Okay.